Alright guys, here we have a 2022 Ram TRX with a 6.2 liter V8 sitting under the hood, supercharged of course, producing 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque with a 0 to 60 of just 5 seconds. We also have Iori here.
Hi.
You know who she is, you've seen her on our channel before. Iori, why don't you tell us what exactly we're gonna do to the TRX today?
Today we're gonna be installing GTHaus exhaust system, but before we do that, let's take this out for stock driving and see how it handles and how it sounds.
All right guys, we are now inside the truck. Iori is in the driver's seat. Please don't kill us today because I'm trying to make it home.
Hey, I'm a professional driver, so don't worry.
Here's the deal, I'm the best there is.
But yeah, so far you've only been on this for, a minute or two, but how do you feel the truck so far?
This feels super high.
Super high up?
Super high, because I'm so used to driving like lower cars.
Yeah.
I'm actually pretty nervous.
Yeah, it's a lot of horsepower behind the wheel.
It is, yeah. It's gonna be fast.
So we're gonna test it out, see how it feels stock, because obviously it has stock exhaust, stock from factory. And the only thing we're gonna be doing is the exhaust. So we'll see how that affects the performance and the sound, obviously. But yeah, she's gonna rip on it here in a bit once traffic clears up, and then we'll see what she thinks of it. Oh my God.
It was funny. Whoa, what? I was not expecting that.
Keep both hands on the steering wheel next time.
Jesus, take the wheel.
But that felt pretty good though. I mean,
It
obviously there's a
did,
lot of
yes.
low end torque, you know, because of the supercharged Hellcat engine that it has inside.
Did you hear the supercharger though?
Yeah, you can hear the whine,
Yeah,
which is
like-
pretty dope.
Okay, it's shifting. Oh.
Wow. So what do you rate it, 1 out of 10?
Considering I'm not a truck person, I will probably give it a 9.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
What makes it give it a 9?
Well, because it's really fast.
Really fast.
Yes, I've
702
never-
horsepower.
yeah.
But yeah, that was pretty much it for stock driving. Now it's time to take it back to the shop and do the install.
Do the install.
All right, guys, we are back in the TRX, and we have Iori as a driver, and she
Yes.
can't see anything because I blocked her mirror. But yeah, so pretty much we're gonna give the first impressions of the GTHaus exhaust. It's insanely loud, as you guys heard in the revving shots that she did. We're just gonna have her drive around, see what she thinks, and see what happens then.
All right, let's do it.
We came to a stoplight, so we're gonna have you floor it
All right.
off the stoplight. She's pretty much gonna floor it off the launch, and then hopefully it doesn't spin and we hit another car. All right, we have a green arrow on one side. It's about to turn green here any second. Let's see this. Ready?
Yes.
Go for it.
Whoa! Whoa! Jeez, okay. Okay. Wow, that was pretty fast.
That was fast.
That pulled really,
Yeah.
really hard.
Wow.
I was not expecting that at all.
Yeah, we were not expecting this whatsoever because we drove it before, but this is on 37-inch tires, so they're humongous. So it just feels like really sluggish. Wow, that was impressive. Not gonna lie.
3, 2, 1, go. Do you hear that?
Wow.
Do you hear that supercharger? I love it. I love it.
Yeah, it's definitely fast. I mean, it is 707 horsepower because it's got the Hellcat engine in it, but it's just, it feels...
Mind you, it's still a truck.
Yeah, exactly. And it weighs 6,000 pounds because we Googled it the other day, so...
It's really, really impressive.
That's impressive for a heavy truck, so... And on 37-inch tires, which is wild.
Oh man, it's fast. Whoa! Yo, I almost lost control.
We almost crashed in front of you guys. But you know what they say, cameraman never dies. Yeah, it is. Green light. Ready?
Green light.
Go for it.
Oh. Jesus. Holy shit.
It's pretty fast.
It is
You
really
can't deny
fast.
the fact that it's fast for a 6,000-pound truck on 37-inch tires. Keep in mind, it does have a 700 horsepower V8 supercharged, but still, that's impressive.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
sound supercharger make and the exhaust sound is just
Yeah, chef's kiss. So what do you give it overall for the
Oh.
exhaust, the performance, the sound, everything?
after that all the modification.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Would you buy this truck
Yes.
after the exhaust or before the exhaust?
After the exhaust.
After the exhaust.
Yeah.
So the exhaust is what would make you buy this truck.
Yeah, it's the beans.
Yeah, it's the beans. It's the sweet sauce. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the content and stuff like that. We obviously heard the exhaust. You already did some great driving out there.
Yeah.
She's our in-house race
about
car
to drift
driver.
it.
No, don't do that.
But yeah, if you guys want to buy this exhaust system, hit us up at vividracing.com and we will be selling those. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see y'all at the next one.